Centurion Jr., Cebu City, Josh Harold Leon, so Batangas,
Jamie Roger Gonzaga Badion, Eastern Visayas.
My name is Johnson Kennedy C. My
name is Nick St. Pierre, representing Minglanilla!
Xavier Rafael Bandoles, 25, Leyte. Uy, practice lang po yun. Baka next time. Hi guys! A day in my life as a part-time content creator na wala pang sahod at hindi naman sikat sa social media. Today ay nandito tayo sa Waterworld Cebu. A-attend po tayo ng national pageant. This is the Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024. Grabe, this is my first time to attend an event like this. Opo, like a national stage po. At something different naman po ito kasi this is a male pageant. Hala, alam ko na yung inaabangan ng lahat, ang swimwear. Hoy, later pa po yung segment na iyon. Dito muna tayo mag-focus. Dito pala sa Coral Ballroom, gaganapin yung pageant na ito. Upon arrival pala, binigyan kami ng free na sabon na Dr. Wong. Di po ito sponsor, pero baka naman, go tayo, diba? Char! At bago ang lahat, nakapag-interview muna tayo sa ibang candidate na hindi pa busy. Panoorin natin. Hi everyone, my name is Savvy and I'm here with...
My full name is Gabriel Nicolas Serrano de Paz, but you can call me Gab. I am from Tacloban City.
This is Joel JB Roger Gonzaga Badion, and I am representing Eastern Visayas.
What is your preparation and can you tell us?
Throughout this pageant, I think my mentor, my handler is the one who is more prepared for this because I'm actually an intern here at Cebu. But I studied at Leyte Normal University. So, more on, I focus on my mental capacity, but other stuff is my handler.
Oh, taking note that this is one of the most prestigious national pageants, I made it very sure that I am very prepared with my development aspects. I have prepared mentally, physically, emotionally, and of course, spiritually. And then,
what challenges do you encounter while this pageant is ongoing?
I think the challenge is time management. Just like what I've said earlier, I am an intern here, so this schedule is very difficult for me. Like trainings, doing this stuff like getting a connection with my handler from Tacloban because I am here at Cebu. So it was really hard for me.
Para sa'yo, sino yung parang matinik na kalaban mo for tonight's competition?
That would be very tough. I was put on the spot. I believe the other 23 candidates, 22 if I may say, were actually very eloquent. They're, if I may say, almost perfect. However, if I would be picking one, I would be picking Tacloban City, of course, because I have known his personality. Baguio City, I have known him for just like 2 to 3 days. However, we have already have connections and made bonds.
Yung matinik na kalaban is my brothers over here, Eastern Visayas, because although we have the same handler, we know our capacity, and I think that maybe he can as well.
Eto na mga mi, nagsisimula na ang bakbakan sa Corona kung sino ang hihirangin ng Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024. Panoorin natin.
That's the victor's 23 official candidates for the Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024.
Wow, I don't expect na I Love Cebu yung song nila sa production number. Grabe, mas lalo talaga akong namomotivate na sumali ng ganitong pageant next time. Aayusin ko lang yung dapat ayusin. Huwag walang ganon. Sabi pa nga, time will tell. I'm so young pa naman, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Oo nga pala, 23 candidates po sila na maglalaban-laban sa 3 crowns ng Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024 Tourism, Mr. Friendship International Philippines Charity 2024, tapos yung top crown ng Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024, tapos may 2 runners-up. Imagine galing pa ito sila sa iba't ibang lugar ng Pilipinas. Maka-experience ka lang ng ganito ng national pageant is a big privilege na talaga. Plus point na dyan kung ikaw pa yung manalo. Panoorin natin yung mga short introduction nila. Yung iba lang yung nakuha ko, kaya please watch this.
Hi, I'm Kyle Brennan, S. Himayo, representing the summer capital of the North, Baguio City!
In Mayong Gabi, Philippines, my name is Mark Anthony Guerra, representing the heritage city of the Philippines, Karkar City!
Wilson Gloria Jr., Cebu City!
Michael Leneguela, gikan sa Masinlakong Karmayanon, Municipality of Daan Bantayan!
Maupay nga gabi, Cebu City. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joe J.D. Roger Gonzaga Badion, your Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024, representing Eastern Visayas.
August Dawis, representing the Filipino community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia!
Christian Emmanuel Flores, from the land of Santero Festival, Macabebe, Pampanga!
Maupay na gabi ang atong natanan. This is Gabriel Nicolas Serrano Libas from the City of Hope, City of Tacloban!
So ayun na nga, napanood niyo na yung some glimpse ng introduction nila. Hindi ko na sinama lahat. Diyos ko, baka umabot ng bukas yung video ko. Buti naman kung tatapusin mo. Char! Hindi, most likely kasi bet ko yung nandoon na parang may star or spark kapag naglalakad sila on stage. They are all handsome naman talaga. Kung sa pictures hindi medyo iba yung pagtingin ninyo, sa personal nyo puntahan, mapapanganga ka talaga. Kaya ako, bahala na lang talaga walang sweldo for today's video. Basta makapanood lang. Char, syempre support. Ano ba? Wala naman talagang trabaho kasi Sunday ngayon. Alam ko, kanina ka pa naghihintay sa swimwear competition. Kilala kita, nakailang forward ka na ba sa video ko? Pero hindi ka pa umaabot doon. Oo na, after nito, doon na tayo sa hinihintay mo. O ayan na, aarangkada na sila, walang pipikit, baka mapalunok ka pa. Simulan na natin at panoorin nyo na to.
Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024 Swimwear Competition. We begin with Baguio City. Candidate number 2, Karkar City. Candidate number 3, Cebu City.
nating ubusin. Baka iba naman yung iniisip nyo dyan. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo, huwag nyong subukan. Mapapahamak ka, char. Pero magagaling talaga sila. I'm sure mahihirapan yung mga judges natin na mamili kung sino sa kanila ang karapat-dapat na mag-uwi ng corona. At this coming December na pala, yung international pageant nila na gaganapin sa Taiwan. Aabangan natin yan kasi balita ko, may laban tayo for today's video. Tama na. Sa kakulitan sa swimwear, pumunta naman tayo sa formal wear. Dito talaga ako nakaka-appreciate. Walang Emmy ha, aside sa swimwear, kasi dito nasu-showcase yung iba't ibang disenyo ng mga local designer natin dito sa Pilipinas. We must proud and loud na suotin natin ang gawang Pilipino. Dito na rin natin malalaman kung sino sa kanila ang makakapasok sa first cut. Hala, anong cut yun? Small, medium, or large? Char! Hoy, walang ganon. Dito na natin masasala yung top 15 natin. Actually, top 12 lang daw yon, sabi ng host. Kaya naging top 15 kasi sa voting online. At kung matawag yung province mo, dito nila sasabihin yung advocacy speech nila. Dito natin din malalaman kung sino talaga yung full package na pwede nating ilaban sa international stage. Sa kaalaman ng lahat, itong Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024, they are promoting intercultural understanding that fostering mutual respect and appreciation for diverse cultures, and also inspiring young people and many more. In fairness, hindi madali yung trabaho ng mga judge for today's video. Kung ako yung papagpiliin, hindi ko talaga bet maging judge sa ganitong competition kasi pinapahirapan lang nila yung mga judge na pumili. Lalo na yung lumabas sila na suot yung mga local design, as in wala talaga akong masabi, super maganda talaga. Imagine yung mananalo dito will proudly represent the Philippines at international competition, showcasing our country's rich culture, heritage, and natural beauty. Ito pala yung prizes na makukuha nila kung sakali manalo. Yung first runner-up at second runner-up, 10,000 pesos lang naman yung makukuhang premyo. Plus the other privileges pa yan sa mga sponsor at sa organization. Yung 3 crowns ang sinasabi ko kanina, yung tourism, charity, at yung title, they will get home 20,000 pesos cash plus yung 100k worth of dental kineso at marami pang privileges din from the organization. Ba talaga yung magagawa kapag ikaw yung manalo dito sa competition? Babaguhin talaga yung buhay mo dito. Tara na, pumunta naman tayo doon sa advocacy speech nila. Yung makikita ninyo dito ay pasok na yan sa top 15.
Bilang isang SK Chairperson and Pageant King, gagamitin ko ang aking plataforma upang turuan ang mga kabataan sa paggamit ng makabagong teknolohiya and social media. Naniniwala ako na sa pamamagitan nito, mas maunawaan namin ang pagkakaibigan, pagkakaisa, pagkakaiba-iba, pakikisama kahit na may iba't ibang kultura at pananaw. Ito rin ang paraan para maipakita namin ang sinabi ng ating bayani na si Beatriz Rizal na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Magsimula tayo magkaintindihan, pagkakaibigan at pagkakaisa para sa mas maliwanag na kinabukasan. Maraming salamat po.
To young dreamers and aspiring leaders of tomorrow, remember that uniqueness is your strength. Embrace it, share it, and use it to drive positive change. The world needs your creativity, your passion, and your commitment to building a new inclusive society. Let's champion diversity, inspire one another to build new heights. And starts right here and right now. Thank you.
As Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will teach young generation to see the value of friendship through diversity, and by leveraging my platform to promote kindness, respect, and empathy. Among all of our social and cultural differences, I have to lead by example. by conducting workshops, school visits, and social media. With these initiatives, I can use my title to inspire young people to see diversity not as a challenge, but as a valuable asset that can strengthen friendship and enriches lives. Mayong gabi.
Peaks and Personalities is an online talk show where we share diverse stories of individuals from our generation. Because our young ones nowadays spend most of their time behind the screen. And this pageant can amplify my stories, our stories, in inspiring the youth in hopes of touching their heart, instilling values like empathy, kindness, and respect. Let us all build a country which is inclusive, where everyone feels valued and accepted as we celebrate friendship in diversity. Thank you.
As your Mr. Friendship International Philippines, it's an honor to have a voice to teach the younger generations the value of friendship in diversity by encouraging openness of mind, mutual respect, and empathy. They'll be able to adapt from each other and strengthen a friendship that will last long into a lifetime camaraderie that we all need in this lifetime. I believe that this will prepare them to learn to celebrate diversity and be of influence, to have a wider mind towards cultural differences. With this, we are slowly but surely making a more connected society and a more compassionate society. Thank you.
The younger generation is the greatest hope of our future. And as a Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will educate them that friendship in diversity teaches us that our differences make us stronger by valuing unique backgrounds, culture, and perspectives. We can create a better world where we have these strong connections, because I believe that the younger generation is not only inherit our future, but they also shape our world to be more inclusive and to be a better world for humanity. Daghang salamat, Cebu.
Younger generations should hear story about life experience cultivated by friendship in diversity. As a nurse and a public servant and a Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I can be a testimony. I can use my voice to share my story about how I created friendship and camaraderie to my patients and to my community, despite or regardless of their age, religion, race, and culture. Because I believe that every one of us deserves to be a friend and have a friend.
As Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will teach younger generation the value of friendship in diversity by showing them that embracing differences makes us stronger through activities that promote teamwork, respect, and empathy. I would encourage them to see diversity as an opportunity to connect, to learn, and for us to grow together, creating friendships that will foster friendship and to unite us all. Good evening.
Growing up, I thought that friendship is about being just like me. The beauty of friendship, that I can think of until I realized is found our differences. Growing up, I thought the friendship is about being people who just like me. But as I travel, I learned that friendship is about being
true to yourself.
As a Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will teach younger generation in diversity. We not only find understanding but strength. Together, we can break down barriers, build bridges, and we can we can improve the world where friendship knows no borders. Thank you.
Kids these days have access to social media. I will use social media platforms, contents that highlights different cultures, traditions, promote inclusivity, uniqueness, and friendship that is built on mutual respect, and to remind them that this platform are intended to bring people closer together rather than cause division. Thank you.
As Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will teach the younger generation by showing them that our difficulties make us strong. Through respect, understanding, and open communication, we can build a meaningful connection. By celebrating each other's cultures and experience, we can build a more inclusive world that everyone feels valued and empowered. Friendship has no boundaries, and embracing diversity leads to unity and peace. Maayong gabi, Cebu.
As your Mr. Friendship International Philippines and your future civil engineer, I see friendship similar to the foundations of a well-built structure, laid out through respect, understanding, and love. By fostering empathy, we can teach the younger generations that friendship connects us all and builds bridges that last. Just like a home designed to endure, together we can build a world where friendships stand strong. Good evening and thank you everyone.
The value of friendship in diversity should be considered as treasure of a lifetime. As we live in the judgmental and superficial world, in this society, we need to strengthen our bonds in order to us to be strong and better at all time. As we develop our connectivity, we should help ourselves, not only ourselves, regardless of gender, culture, tradition. We will win not only for ourselves, but for our family and for our community. Shukran kathir.
As a candidate, a teacher, an aspiring lawyer, I would be teaching the younger generation the value of friendship in diversity through extension services like culture and the arts. As one of the core functions, they would be able to meet new people of different places, races, status, and practice. This, I assure, that this will foster interconnectedness and nurture warmth. Take note that in diversity, we are better, stronger. Thank you.
In this world full of negativity, as a teacher, I would like to teach the younger generation of understanding. Understanding comes with respect, acceptance, and love. I know that we are culturally divided, but through understanding, we can be united. Respect to be respected, accept to be accepted, love to be loved, and understand and gain a lot of friends. Thank you.
After ng advocacy speech nila, they will trim down to top 5 at sasabak naman sila sa final Q&A. Doon na madidetermine kung sino yung makakakuha ng title ng Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2024. Nakapasok na nga si Cebu City, Tacloban, Baguio, Province of Batangas at Misamis Oriental. At panoorin naman natin yung mga naganap during the Q&A.
What is the most important quality a Mr. Friendship International title holder should possess, and how do you exemplify that quality?
I do believe that one of the qualities of being a true Mr. Friendship is being optimistic. I am someone who strives hard despite of those challenges in life. I always see the positivity to everything, to every challenges, and I want to tell a story. When I was young, I grew up being bullied. This because I was overweight. People tend to call me ugly, fat, And I lost hope for that. I lost my confidence. And there was one time, one friend who came to me and told me, be yourself and don't ever give up in life. Because if you believe in yourself, then no one could ever let you down. And now I am here standing in front of you, bringing those words of wisdom. And despite of those negativity and hatred, I am still striving and pursuing my dreams. And winning the title isn't just a personal achievement for me, but it is a great platform, an opportunity for me to inspire young people. And to inspire young people, and if we all live in a world that we value friendship and brotherhood, then we all live in a world that is full of love and unity. Mayong gabi.
Your question is, if you could collaborate with one international organization or group or leader to spread the message of friendship and unity, which would it be and why?
If I would given a chance to collaborate in an international organization, that would be the Mr. Friendship International. Because I believe that advocacy of Mr. Friendship is not just about respect, camaraderie, but it is about spreading love towards one another. And I was able to experience that love when we have our sponsored visit in Talisay City in the Home for the Elders. I was able to know them and to share my story with them. And I am here right now having this platform to share their story as well, that there is someone that is trying and having problems that needs care and love, and we are proud to have this organization. That would be all. Salamat.
Salamat. As Mr. Friendship Philippines, how would you use your platform to promote friendship and unity across different cultures? You want me to repeat it? As Mr. Friendship Philippines, how would you use your platform to promote friendship and unity across different cultures?
As a Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will use my platform with a purpose. And I will use this to help others that need that some friends are that friendship is always to make a brotherhood that can make a family. So family is the one of the important. So this friendship, Mr. International Friendship, can help to make a bond and also to make a brotherhood that make a
better individual.
That's all.
In a world where social media often divided us, how can you use it to foster positive connections and promote inclusivity? Okay. In a world where social media often divided us, how can you use it to foster positive connections and promote inclusivity?
In this digital age that we live in, I know that social media may be bad or good, depending on how we use it. But if I were to use social media, I would use it to spread diversity and inclusivity, which in turn to promote also my advocacy, which centers around a healthy lifestyle and fitness, because I believe that physical and mental well-being is our priority. And I hope to inspire people to prioritize their health, and so that in turn we can create stronger and more vibrant connections. Together, let's build a world where fitness fuels not just our bodies, but our friendships too. Thank you.
What does friendship mean to you? And how do you plan to embody this in your role as Mr. Friendship Philippines?
Ladies and gentlemen, hear me when I say friendship is leadership. I believe we need a leader who stands firm above any challenges, and my life is my testimony. I came from a broken family and have conquered a lot of challenges that I have faced alone. My mother is an OFW and my father is a police officer. I was always alone, and I believe my loneliness is not a weakness, but it has made me stronger. And that my personality, my life, it made me someone who is fit to become a leader, and that is someone who can lead Mr. Friendship International Philippines to a brighter future. Because I, my friends, my brothers, we all support each other, and that we are as one, we can build an inclusive community where diversity flourishes and everyone feels included, everyone feels safe, and that we can be successful all in all together. Thank you.
Let's start with announcing our second runner-up.
The winner will receive a cash and a sash. To present the award, we have Mr. Louis Montinola, and judge number 1, Dr. Venus Yvonne, and judge number 2, Kurt Marie.
Our second runner-up is Batangas!
And also our second runner-up will receive an Anytime Fitness and IBI product.
Our first runner-up!
The winner will receive a cash prize by Mr. Louis Montinola. A sash. To present the award, we have judge number 3, Dr. Marian A. Yvonne. Judge number 4, Arnold De Leon.
Our first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is from Tacloban City! Mr. Friendship Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Friendship Tourism is none other than Baguio!
We also receive an Anytime
Friendship International Philippines 2024 is Miss Sally! Our Mr. Friendship Ambassador in Cebu City!
At yun na nga, may nanalo na sa gabing ito. Wala na tayo magagawa, it's already final. At congratulations sa lahat ng mga winners. You deserve it, guys. At yun lamang po for today's video. Sana may natutunan din kayo kahit papano. At maraming salamat. Bye! See you soon!